My name is Tom Pauko. I am learning English. I study English every day. I listen to English on the radio. I watch English videos. I read English books. I can understand many words. I understand when people speak slowly. I understand when I read a short story. I understand the meaning. But I cannot speak well. When I try to speak, I feel shy. I forget the words. I know the words in my head, but I cannot say them with my mouth. My mind is full, but my tongue is quiet. Sometimes I say the wrong word. Sometimes I make mistakes. Then I feel nervous. I stop speaking. I only listen. At school, my teacher asks a question. I know the answer. I understand the question. I know what I want to say. But I cannot speak. I sit quietly. My classmates talk. They answer the question. I feel sad. I want to join, but I cannot. I understand everything, but I do not speak. One day, I meet a friend. My friend speaks English well. He says, "Don't worry, just practice." I listen to him. He says, "Understanding is good. Speaking will come with practice." He tells me to practice every day. He tells me to speak slowly. He tells me not to fear mistakes. So I start to practice. I speak one sentence every morning. I say, "Good morning. How are you?" I say it to myself in the mirror. I say it again and again. I listen to my own voice. At first, it feels strange. My mouth is not used to English. But slowly, I feel better. At work, I see my coworker. I try one English word. I say hello. My coworker smiles. He says hello. I feel happy. I spoke, and someone understood me. The next day, I say two words. I say good morning. He smiles again. I smile too. Every day, I try one more word. When I go shopping, I practice speaking. I say, "One apple, please." I say, "Thank you." I say, "Goodbye." The shopkeeper understands me. I feel proud. I can speak little by little. My words are small, but they are real. At night, I practice again. I read a short story aloud. I listen to my own voice. I practice shadowing. I listen to a sentence. I repeat the sentence. I copy the sound. I copy the rhythm. It is not perfect, but it is better every day. Now I understand English and I can speak more. I am not perfect. I make mistakes. But I do not stop. I keep going. I understand and I practice speaking. Slowly, my English grows. One day, I will speak as well as I understand. I believe in myself. I will not give up.